Grade 11 Circle Geometry. Sirkelmeetkunde. Ons kyk na angles in a circle, hoeke in a cirkel. Goed, hierdie is eenvoudige voorbeeldjies, maar dis net om vir jou te leer wat om te doen. Hierdie is natuurlik hoek by die middelpunt en hoek by sirkelsegment, nee. Hoek op die omtrek van die sirkel. This is angle at center and angle at circumference. Okay, the main thing that you have to remember here is that you have to see the chord, the radius. You have to see the radius to see. So the radius gives you an isosceles triangle. So this angle is also 50, and then the angle O, okay, let me rather put it another way, because I want to be as clear as possible. Right, the angle, triangle, no, we can't even mention the triangle, but alright. Let's say okay, let's rather say, let's do it the right way, sorry, I just want to sort out my words. We're going to say that the chords are equal. So the angles, that means it's an isosceles triangle. Then angle O plus 50 plus 50. Angle O plus 50 degrees plus 50 degrees is 180, because it's the sum of the angles. Sum of the angles of a triangle equals 180. Therefore, angle O is equal to 80 degrees. And angle A is equal to the half, which is then 40 degrees. And the reason for this one is, angle at center is equal to 2 times angle at circumference. Okay, then we look now at the second one. The second one is a cyclic quad. A cyclic quad, a square vierhoek is Square vierhoek is 'n vierhoek binne in 'n sirkel. Dan het jy C hierso. Jy het 42 grade daar. Jy het B hierso en jy het 64 grade daar. Nou wat jy moet sien is die volgende. Dit lyk soos 'n stryk daarsie. Sien julle? Dan die hoeke hier by die punte is gelyk. En dan is die hoeke ook hier by die punte gelyk. Daarbo is die hoeke gelyk. So wat jy nou gaan sê is dat C is gelyk aan 42 en dat B is gelyk aan 64. En die rede vir dit is, kom ons kyk wat is die regte rede. Dit is omtrekshoeke op dieselfde sirkelsegment. It is angles on the same circle segment. Goed, hierdie sirkel is gegee met omtrekshoeke wat op dieselfde twee punte staan. Dan kan jy nou sê dat D is gelyk aan 31 grade, want hulle is op dieselfde omtrek. Okay, C and D and 31 stands on the same chord, so they will be equal. So you can say D is equal to 31 angles on same segment. Okay, and then the other two that's equal, now you can see that E and 31 is also equal because they are also on the same segment. So angle E is also equal to 31, and this time I'll give the reason in Afrikaans. Hoeke op dieselfde segment.